Imagine waking up groggy-eyed and reaching for your phone to order that specific brand of artisanal cat food, or maybe a last-minute birthday gift, only to find nothing. The app you've relied on for years is suddenly blank, as if the entire digital marketplace has vanished overnight. You refresh, thinking it's a glitch, but the emptiness remains. The Amazon app, once a portal to everything from groceries to gadgets, now just says, "We're sorry, but due to trade disputes and tariffs, Amazon has ceased all retail operations in the United States." No more one-click orders, no more two-day shipping, no more endless aisles at your fingertips. Overnight, the familiar Amazon box becomes a relic of a bygone era, and the silence of delivery vans and drones is deafening. Streets that once buzzed with the hum of deliveries now feel eerily still, as if time itself has paused. This isn't just about losing late-night shopping convenience, it's a seismic shift in American life. Families gather around their TVs stunned as news anchors try to make sense of the chaos. Shopping malls already struggling now stand even emptier, their future more uncertain than ever. Fulfillment centers go dark, blue vans gather dust, and the backbone of U.S. commerce is suddenly gone. Thousands of workers are left in limbo, wondering what comes next as the supply chain grinds to a halt. News spreads like wildfire. Politicians argue on the Senate floor, pundits panic on cable news, and your uncle celebrates until he realizes he can't get his favorite fertilizer or that rare part for his vintage car. The ripple effects touch every household, every business, every community. Amazon isn't just a store, it's a cloud giant, a grocer, a movie studio, and the default mall for millions. Its tentacles reach into nearly every aspect of daily life. From the food we eat to the shows we binge, to the very infrastructure powering the internet. Its exit would leave a crater in the economy, visible from space. Entire industries would be forced to adapt or collapse, and the shockwaves would be felt far beyond retail, affecting jobs, innovation, and even the way we connect with each other. But what could cause such a corporate earthquake? One word: tariffs. These aren't just numbers on a spreadsheet. They're the spark that can ignite a retail apocalypse, reshaping the landscape of American commerce forever. Let's break it down and make sense of this word you've probably heard tossed around in the news, but maybe never really thought about. Tariffs might sound complicated, but at their core, they're actually pretty simple. A tariff is basically a tax that a government places on goods coming in from other countries. Whenever a product crosses a border, the government can decide to charge a fee for letting it in. This fee is the tariff. Think of it as a cover charge for products entering the country, like paying to get into a club, but for toasters, TVs, or even sneakers. For example, if the US slaps a 25% tariff on Chinese toasters, that $40 toaster now costs $50 before it even hits the shelf. That extra $10 doesn't make the toaster better, it just makes it more expensive. The main goal? To protect American businesses and workers by making imported goods pricier so that products made in the US seem like a better deal. It's a way to encourage people to buy local, supporting homegrown companies and jobs. But here's the catch. Importers, the companies that bring in these goods, are the ones who pay the tariff at first, but they don't just eat that cost. Instead, they pass it along to you, the shopper, by raising prices. That means higher prices for everyone, whether you're buying a toaster, a phone, or a pair of shoes. Suddenly your everyday shopping trip gets a little more expensive and your wallet feels the pinch. Now think about Amazon, a company that imports a huge chunk of its products from all over the world. When tariffs go up, Amazon gets squeezed from all sides. Heavy tariffs make it much more expensive for Amazon to stock its virtual shelves. Every imported gadget, toy, or kitchen appliance costs more to bring in. Amazon faces a tough choice. Absorb the extra cost and risk losing billions, or raise prices and risk losing customers who expect bargains and fast shipping. For a company built on low prices and lightning-fast delivery, this is a real crisis. It threatens the very business model that made Amazon a household name. That's how tariffs, just a simple tax at the border, can shake up the world's biggest online retailer, and maybe even push a giant like Amazon to the brink. If Amazon vanished, the impact on everyday shoppers would be immediate and profound. American shoppers would lose instant gratification overnight. The convenience of ordering almost anything with a single click and having it arrive at your doorstep in just a day or two would suddenly be gone. No more two-day delivery for anything you can imagine. You'd have to plan ahead and visit physical stores. Shopping would become a slower, more deliberate process requiring more time and effort. The endless variety shrinks. Your choice of 300 garlic presses drops to 2 at the local shop. Specialty items and unique brands would be much harder to find, and many small businesses that relied on Amazon's marketplace would struggle to reach customers. Prices rise, not just on Amazon, but everywhere, as the competitive pressure disappears and tariffs drive up costs. Without Amazon's price matching and vast logistics network, retailers could charge more, and deals would be harder to come by. The Amazon effect that kept inflation low reverses, squeezing every household budget. Families would feel the pinch as everyday essentials, from groceries to electronics, become more expensive. Product reviews vanish, replaced by guesswork and unreliable advice. Shoppers would have to rely on word of mouth or in-store packaging, making it much harder to know what you're really buying. Niche markets and rare finds become quests, not clicks. Collectors and hobbyists would spend hours searching for items that once took seconds to locate online. Even digital services, Prime Video, Kindle, Amazon Music, could disappear, erasing your playlists and ebooks. The loss would extend beyond shopping, affecting entertainment, reading, and even smart home devices. The Amazon ecosystem touches everything, and its absence would leave a gaping void. From daily routines to special occasions, the way we shop, read, and relax would be fundamentally altered. It's a stark reminder of how much we rely on a single company, and how different life would be if it suddenly disappeared. The impact on American workers would be devastating. Amazon employs over 1 million people, warehouse staff, drivers, tech workers across the country. If Amazon left, all those jobs vanish overnight, gutting entire communities. The ripple effect would hit truckers, contractors, local businesses, anyone tied to Amazon's logistics web. While other companies might try to fill the gap, they couldn't absorb all the displaced workers quickly. The transition would be slow and painful, with many facing lower wages and fewer benefits. Amazon, for all its flaws, raised pay standards in retail and logistics. Without it, millions could find themselves in a much more precarious position. For small businesses, Amazon's exit is both a disaster and a unique opportunity. Over half of Amazon's sales come from third-party sellers. Many rely on it as their only sales channel for growth. Without Amazon, their storefront, warehouse, and shipping could vanish overnight. Most aren't equipped to handle logistics alone, and many would likely close. But for survivors, a new world opens up. No more competing with Amazon's own brands. No more getting lost in its algorithms. New e-commerce platforms could rise, and businesses could build direct, lasting relationships with customers. It would be a brutal transition, but those who adapt could emerge stronger, more resilient, and more independent. Let's zoom out. Tariffs aren't just good or bad, they're complicated. Supporters say tariffs protect American jobs and industries, making imports pricier so local products can compete. Tariffs can also be used as leverage in international negotiations. But the downside? Higher prices for everyone, slowing the economy. Tariffs often spark retaliation. Other countries tax our exports, hurting American farmers and manufacturers. Protecting one industry can hurt another, thanks to our interconnected global economy. A steel tariff might help steelworkers, but car makers pay more for materials and lose out globally. It's a tightrope walk. Every move has unintended consequences. The challenge is finding a balance that protects jobs without triggering a trade war. In the end, tariffs are a messy, high-stakes gamble. Take a breath. Amazon isn't going anywhere, at least not today. The scenario we imagined is fiction, but the issues are real. Tariffs, trade wars, and global supply chains shape our daily lives, from prices to job security. Our story is a stress test showing how deeply we depend on companies like Amazon. It highlights the delicate balance between national policy and global trade. Amazon's presence shapes everything from shopping to employment to entertainment. Next time you hear about tariffs or trade policy, remember, these decisions ripple through every part of our lives. The drones aren't going dark yet, but understanding these forces matters for all of us. In reality, we can't just wake up from the nightmare. We live with the consequences, and hopefully, we get to keep our 2-day shipping. So what does Amazon do when the rules of global trade change overnight? The answer: adapt, fast, and at a massive scale. After tariffs hit, Amazon's global strategy pivots in ways most shoppers never notice, but the effects are profound. First, Amazon accelerates its investment in local manufacturing and sourcing. Instead of relying on a single country for products, it starts building regional supply chains. Think made in America, made in Mexico, made in India, all to keep prices competitive and shelves stocked. Warehouses pop up closer to customers, and Amazon's logistics network grows even more complex. Next, Amazon doubles down on innovation. robotics, AI-powered inventory systems, and even automated delivery become more than buzzwords. They're essential tools to handle rising costs and keep that famous 2-day shipping promise alive. And globally, Amazon isn't just playing defense, it expands into new markets, partners with local businesses, and even launches new brands tailored to different regions, dodging tariffs by blending in with local economies. For Amazon, every trade war is a challenge, yes, but also a spark for reinvention. When the world changes, Amazon's strategy is simple: change faster. For shoppers and workers alike, the next chapter is written in real time, shaped by a company that refuses to stand still. As Amazon navigates its new world, consumers and markets are left to adjust in real time. The immediate reaction? A mix of confusion, frustration, and a scramble for alternatives. Shoppers accustomed to the ease of Amazon Prime suddenly face longer delivery times and higher prices. Local retailers, once overshadowed, now see a surge of new customers. But it's not all doom and gloom. Some consumers welcome the change, rediscovering the charm of local shops and the personal touch of neighborhood businesses. Small e-commerce players seize the moment, innovating rapidly to fill the void left by Amazon. Niche markets emerge, catering to specific consumer needs with a level of customization Amazon could never offer. Market shifts are equally dramatic. Retail giants like Walmart and Target ramp up their online presence, fiercely competing for the digital shopper's dollar. New startups, armed with cutting-edge technology and fresh ideas, enter the scene, eager to capture market share. And then, there are the unexpected winners: local artisans, regional brands, and community-driven marketplaces that thrive in this new retail landscape. Consumers find joy in unique, locally made products, and a new kind of shopping experience takes root, one that values quality, sustainability, and connection over sheer convenience. In this new retail ecosystem, the rules of the game are rewritten. Consumers vote with their wallets, and the market responds with innovation and diversity. The absence of Amazon creates a ripple effect, transforming not just how we shop, but how we connect with the world around us. The future of retail is unfolding, and it's a story shaped by each purchase, each choice, and each new player daring to dream big. With Amazon's dominance fading into the rearview mirror, the future of e-commerce in the US stands at a crossroads, brimming with possibility and uncertainty. The landscape is no longer defined by one giant, but by a constellation of players, each carving out their own niche in a rapidly evolving market. Innovative technologies are at the heart of this transformation. Artificial intelligence, once Amazon's secret weapon, is now democratized, powering smarter search engines, personalized recommendations, and seamless checkout experiences across countless platforms. Blockchain-based systems promise greater transparency in supply chains, building trust between sellers and buyers like never before. Shopping itself becomes more immersive and interactive. Virtual try-ons, augmented reality showrooms, and live video consultations bring the tactile experience of in-person shopping straight to consumers' homes. Social commerce platforms integrate shopping into daily online interactions, turning every scroll into a potential discovery. Sustainability takes center stage, with eco-friendly packaging, carbon-neutral delivery options, and ethical sourcing becoming standard rather than exception. Consumers demand more from the brands they support, and companies rise to the challenge, building loyalty through values as much as convenience. The future also holds the promise of greater inclusivity. Emerging platforms focus on accessibility, designing interfaces for all abilities, supporting diverse voices, and ensuring that the benefits of e-commerce reach every corner of society. But perhaps the most exciting change is the shift from a one-size-fits-all marketplace to a dynamic, interconnected web of specialized stores and services. In this new era, innovation flourishes, competition breeds creativity, and the power of choice truly belongs to the consumer. The post-Amazon age isn't just about what comes next, it's about who dares to shape it. The future of e-commerce is being written right now by entrepreneurs, shoppers, and dreamers alike. And in this bold new world, the possibilities are endless.